Call Dad.
Oh, hey, Zach, what's up?
Dad, very nice forehead. Can you lower the phone, please? Thank
Better.
you. So I was on my way to the animal shelter, and then this little light came on my dash, and I wanted you to take a look at it.
It's a check engine light. It could be a lot of things. You need to take it to someone who really knows what they're doing. Go to AAMCO. Ask for Joe.
Can you text me the address?
I think it's 140 Main Street.
Text, please,
Okay,
Dad.
yeah, got it. Okay.
The experts at AAMCO have been fixing cars for almost 60 years. From complex transmissions to simple brake jobs, our experts can fix anything, and we back up every repair with the best warranties in the business.
Hey there, Joe.
Hey, so I ran the diagnostics and the data says it's just an oxygen sensor.
Is that good?
It's a quick fix.
Sweet. Hey, Dad, good news. So it was just the oxygen sensor, easy fix, and Joe was great.
AAMCO.